Story 10. Luka helps mom, but makes a mistake.
Where is Mom? I'm hungry. Is Mom cooking? No, she is not here. That is strange. Mom always wakes up early. Dad, where is Mom?
Mom is in bed. She is sick today.
Is she very sick?
She has a headache and a fever. She needs rest.
Poor Mom.
I need to go out for urgent work, but I will call often.
Can we help Mom?
Yes, but only simple things.
What can we do?
You can bring her water, you can keep the house quiet, you can make simple food.
Can we cook soup?
No stove. No sharp knives. No hot water.
We remember.
I left bread, bananas, honey, and warm water in the kitchen.
We can do that.
If Mom feels worse, call me right away.
Yes, Dad.
Be careful. I love you.
We love you too. Mom takes care of us every day. Today, we will take care of her. Mom, are you okay?
I'm just tired, Lucy.
We want to help you today.
That is very sweet.
Do you want breakfast?
Maybe something small.
We can make bread and banana.
That sounds perfect.
And warm honey water?
Yes, please.
Rest, Mom. We will be careful.
Thank you, my children.
I want it to look nice. Put the banana here, like a smile. Yes. Mom needs a happy breakfast. How much honey do we need? I don't know. Mom has a recipe book. Where is it? Here it is. Mom's favorite recipe book. She loves this book. She writes all our family recipes in it. Be careful with it. Warm honey water. 1 small spoon of honey. Only 1 spoon. Oh no! I made it worse. What should we do? Mom will be very sad. It was an accident. But I used her favorite book without asking. We should tell her the truth. Maybe we can put it back on the shelf. Maybe Mom will not look at it today, but she will look at it one day. I am scared. Mom always says we must tell the truth. What if she cries? She may feel sad. But hiding it will hurt her more. This book has her notes. It has Grandma's cake recipe too. Then it is very special. That is why we must tell her. Okay. We will tell Mom. Is that my recipe book? Yes, Mom.
What happened?
I wanted to make warm honey water for you. I used your recipe book, but the honey jar slipped. Honey fell on the page.
This book is very special to me. I know. I should have asked first. I am sad about the book. but I am happy you told me the truth.
Are you angry with me?
No, Luka. You made a mistake, but you were honest.
Can we fix the book?
Maybe not perfectly, but we can save the recipe.
How?
We can copy them into a new family recipe book.
Can I help?
Yes. You can write the first page.
That day, Luka learned an important lesson. Helping family does not mean doing everything perfectly. Sometimes mistakes happen, but when we tell the truth, love and trust can stay strong. The recipe book had a honey stain, but Luka's heart was honest, and that mattered more than any recipe.